Hello everyone, I'm Irina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, it is June's BIRCHBOX. So if you just stumbled upon this, I have signed up for a 6-month subscription with BIRCHBOX, and this is actually my third box. I got April, May, and now June. April came at the beginning of May because I signed up on the last day of April. I have talked last time a little bit what I got in my April box. So I am now going to do a little review of the May BIRCHBOX. If you're not interested in that, there will be timestamps on the playback, and you can just skip ahead to June's unboxing. Okay, so I want to do a little review of the May BIRCHBOX. I find this very helpful for me to see if the boxes are worth it. I do intend of doing a video at the end, kind of like reflecting on whether BIRCHBOX was worth it for me, the 6-month subscription was worth it, at the price that I paid because I got it on an offer, and all of that. And it just helps with my thoughts along the way. First thing is here is this Glove makeup remover bag. I do have other products from Glove which I really enjoy. However, this one wasn't as good. It felt a little bit rough on my skin, and I did need to go over a few times to get rid of all the makeup. I will show you the product that I actually do enjoy from them, which is this one that actually looks like a glove. I find the material in this one to be a lot more effective than this little pad. And if you are interested in purchasing this one, I recommend getting the travel kit, because you also get a mini glove to get in the little areas, and you also get a cleaner, so you can actually clean these when you're on the go. So they're very effective. It's a very effective cleaner. Worked on this as well, but yeah, I don't think this one is as good as this one. And then next I had this full-size Dr. Pawpaw Shea Butter Balm. I've only used it once when I needed something on my lips because I couldn't find my lip balm, but I will use it. I find these very useful for all sorts of things. I just have other things at the minute, so this is kind of like a backup at the minute. Then I had this little sample of the Sebamed Clear Gel. I've used this in the morning and I found it quite refreshing in the morning. I still have quite a bit left, so yeah, I'm enjoying this one. And there was this mini shower gel from Chorus. I really enjoyed the scent of this. It's a nice shower gel, but I'm not sure whether it's nice enough to convince me to buy the full size shower gel, because the full size is £14. That's a lot for a shower gel. But it's nice enough. I'm glad I got to try it. I think I've got about 1 or 2 uses left. And then the last thing in here was this LOC liquid eyeshadow. LOC stands for love of color. So initially I was a little bit disappointed with this one because the one I got in my box was dried out, but I did contact customer service and they sent another one out. It came quite quickly, and this one works just fine. I did the swatch last time and I am wearing it now on my eyes. So I'm hoping that shows on camera because it's really, really pretty. It has a very nice formula, a decent amount of time before it dries down, so you do have time to kind of like shape it or smudge it or whatever you want to do with it. I've just put it like all over my lid, a little bit in my crease, and then just went with a matte eyeshadow over the crease to kind of like just smooth those edges out. And yeah, it was very easy to use, and then it dries down maybe in like 20 seconds or so, so plenty of time to blend it out if you need to. Okay, and this is June's BIRCHBOX. Really loving the design again, and the theme this month is that all bodies are good bodies, which I really love. So first thing in here, I have the brightening shampoo from Morning Street. It has argan and marula oil. This one was the one where we could pick between the shampoo and the conditioner. I never received the email. It wasn't in my spam or anything, so I'll see if next time I receive an email to pick, because there's always one thing that you can pick. There's like a choice that you can pick between. Okay, that probably didn't make any sense, but anyway, this month the choice was between the shampoo and the conditioner. I would have been fine with either, but I'm actually quite pleased that I got the shampoo. I did have a little look at these when this arrived yesterday, and this shampoo smells absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to try it. Full size of this is £16.90, and it's supposed to hydrate, protect and strengthen your hair whilst giving you more shine than ever before. So that sounds very promising to me, so I'm very excited to try this. Next is the Ultra Shine Face SPF 30. Really excited to give this one a go as well. I do like my SPF. It's a little sample, only 7 ml, but I think it's enough to see if it works for you or not. So it has SPF 30 and PA3+, and the full size of this sets you back £22. Seems to have blue light protection as well and infrared protection. It also battles the signs of aging and hydrates skin, plus its matte finish allows you to perfectly layer makeup on top. So that's the SPF. Then from Manakadar we have the Glow Illuminator. This is a 10 ml size, and the full size is £23. It's supposed to work with your favorite foundation or better alone for luminous all over glow. So I'm guessing it will be kind of like a dewy or glowy primer, and I always forget to try and mix these with my foundation and see how it looks like. Definitely need to remember to do that. Hydrating formula imparts a youthful glow and dewy finish, which is flattering for all skin types. This is something that I would definitely use. I'm quite interested to see what this shade would be like. I do want to give it a little swatch now. I gave it a little swatch and it actually blends in very, very quickly. When I first saw the shade, I was like, oh, that's going to be dark. But it really blends in and just gives like a nice glow, like a sun-kissed glow if you want. So I think that's going to be really nice. I don't know if I've said how much the full size of this is. The full size is £23. Next from James Read we have a Gradual Tan. This is the Sleep Mask Tan Body. Not so keen on tanning products because I don't usually tan. I find it too much of a faff. But I could give a Gradual Tan a go. A glow. Already subliminal messages are working on me. I'm thinking I could try this on my legs and see how that goes. It says build your desired color by layering night by night for effortless results, and avoid contact with water for 8 hours after applying. So it does seem like the best way to do it is right before bed. Full size of this is £35, so not cheap, but I am excited to give it a go. Okay, and the last one is this from Nuxe. I'm very excited to see this. I love Nuxe. I love their scents a lot. I haven't smelled this one yet. This is the Rêve de Thé. It's the Revitalizing Granular Scrub. Smells nice. See what a scrub is like. Oh, seems like one of those really fine scrubs. So I think I'm really going to enjoy it. It feels so invigorating. Got 30 ml, and this sample kind of like a travel size, and then a full size is £18.50. So this is what was in my Birchbox this month. So I got the little body scrub, the Gradual Tan, the shampoo, the face illuminator, and then a little face SPF. I'm very excited to give all these a go. If you want to see what I think of them, then come back next time when I will unbox the July Birchbox. Although I'm not sure I will have used this by then. I'm a little bit scared of tanning products, so yeah, we'll see if I use that one. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps me out. I hope you will consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!